Guys, how's going? Installed Git in your system. If not, then go through our Git installation video. Okay, so today we will see some basic Git commands. So here is our blog where we have mentioned the Git commands. You can go through it. Any help? Okay, go through this blog. Yes. Okay, I'm working on VS Code. You can use any of your favorite. Yeah. We have to make one folder and change your directory according to that. I have made Git test folder there. Okay. Now we have to initialize Git in this folder. So write the command git init. Yes. Okay. Now we will see the status of the folder. You can see present the index.html. We have to add this to that initialized folder. What we will write? We will write this command. Okay, it's added now. Check the status again. Here, file is been added. We have to commit it. So, go through this command. Okay, you can write anything here. Message and okay, committed. Okay, and we will do some changes in our file. Writing here one para. Okay, and saving it. We will see now what the status is. Here we have modified. Written there modified, but we have not added, so we have to write the same command again to add it. Yes, the previous committed. Write your message. My second commit. Yes, one file changed. Okay, now we will check the status again. See, work tree is clean. Okay, so now it's like I want to do some more change in there. Okay, then I will do some more change. But firstly, we will see the other command. This line shows how much commits we have done. My first commit and my second commit. Okay. Yes. So here we will change somewhat more. Yeah. Okay, I'm checking the status again. Same, modified it. So what we have to do? We have known that what we have to do. We have to add it and then we have to commit it. So add it first. Now commit it. We have cleared the step till now. It's good going. Okay, file changed. And we'll go to that same command, one line, C. Okay, see here 3 commits, we have shown the 3 commits here. Then this is our block. How much we have completed till now? Up till commit and one line, right? Yes. Now we will see the checkout. Okay, this command is used to check out. Okay, so get checkout. We have to mention that commit number we have provided here. Checking out up till second commit. Okay, then it's updated the path. Yes, see, changes is done. Third commit is gone. Okay, then git status. There's index.html modified. Right? Okay, we can reset our whatever we have modified. We can reset by this command. So go through this command, index.html. Yes, see. Okay, we have done with checkout and reset, right? I have not seen yet changes. Okay, so we have to write one more command for this. Git checkout .html. Okay. Now we can see the changes there. We'll modify. Okay, working tree is clean. See, rate is being back. Yes. Now we can go through the 2 commands. Push and can clone. Okay, for that we have to write this command. This is my repo which I have made, so we have to copy this address and paste here. Okay, and push, we have to go through this push command, git push su origin master. Yes. Okay, it's done. Now we will pull the files, or we can say, to do that, change the directory. I have made one folder there. Okay. Write this command here. Clone means we can download the files which is present in that repository. So this is my first repository. Clone this. I will copy this. Here I will copy this and paste the URL here. Yes. There. Now we can see here files have been added. Download it successfully. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, keep learning and stay connected.